So anyway, I wanted to show you that I've got this 18-volt battery on my auger, and it works perfect because it uses 18. And then it also works on this drill. And these batteries are super cheap. I got them on Amazon for very little price, and they all work basically the same thing. You just got to make sure it's an 18-volter. You stick it in like that. The only detriment to this is they're pretty heavy, but you know, if you're not climbing up a ladder or something, you're just doing some regular, you know, work in the house, they're fantastic. And this thing lasted forever, man. I used this auger the other day and it was great. Now over here I use the exact same charger that I use for my Ryobi for these batteries. Look, check it out. All I have to do to charge it up is I just stick it in there like that. Bam. And it charges. I gotta plug the charger in. I have the charger plugged in. But anyway, you pull it out, same thing. To pull it out, you squeeze those, right? That's how you do it. And so what's cool about this is I save money. I get twice as many batteries as I need. And if you buy the Ryobi batteries, you know, you're gonna pay anywhere from $60 to, let's go up here and see what the first one is. So they're like 61 bucks, 30 bucks for one battery, which is, you know, it's a 6AH18, whatever that is. So you can see all the different prices on them. I think the lowest was about $19. But you can go and you can buy these, which are basically knockoffs, for pretty cheap. They're $31 here, but you can get these, believe it or not, on eBay for 25 bucks. So you could buy 4 of these for the price of 2 of these. And guess what? I've been using them for a couple of years. I'm just looking to see if there's any more. I've been using these for a couple of years on all my Ryobis, and they last twice as long as the batteries that came with the system. So I would recommend trying these out because they work pretty good. I've got even this drill here too that works on that one too. So that's the great thing about it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff.